it's Nasty Elise, and today we are doing a Lissa Ray inspired birdhouse. So I got this from Hobby Lobby, and we are going to do a sunflower. Your little color palette here. Okay, so this is going to be really weird. I'm not trying to copy her all the way, I just really love her videos, and I'm kind of obsessed with her ever since TanaCon video birdhouse thing. She's been popping up in my recommendations, and yeah, I'm just kind of obsessed with her. Watched all her videos. Still wondering if she's going to sell her birdhouses, because I always ask her, or not always, I comment a lot about where she puts the birdhouses. I'm like, girl, I don't know, I'm in love. So I thought I'd do this because I am also making a couple other videos, and I want to put this in my back patio. And sorry. So I did another, like, previously I did like another recreation of someone's Instagram art I saw, so I thought this would be like another cool continuation. I'll put a little card up top to do with this, because why not? I love sunflowers, so I thought this would be perfect. Also, I could do her cool editing style because I still have a really hard time talking to the camera, as you can tell. I am also getting over a cold, like Lissa. I'm hoping I'm saying her name right. But yeah, so this is gonna be kind of like an almost recreation, even like this down. Well, hopefully I get down to the style of her editing. Because I just thought it'd be really fun and a really cool idea. And I see a lot of people like, oh, I try to do like this, like blah 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 YouTuber. So I was like, sure, why not? She's completely underrated, and I think she deserves more credit. But that's just me, and it helps that I want to do a craft. So bonus. Don't really have a lot to talk about. I am kind of in the process of filming a lot of videos for my, I love every single one of my followers, but I don't have a lot. So, you know, if you could subscribe, that'd be great. Ooh, look how pretty that is. But I'm in the process of pre-filming because I kind of suck, but I have a whole bunch of ideas, and like in my drive is just like a whole bunch of clips like I have to edit together. Ooh. So that's a lot of fun. And then I edit for another channel too, and I do weekly edits for her. LINABLUE'S 22, if y'all are interested in like really cool like reviews, vlogs of Lush, I will put her in the description box below. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know how YouTubers can just like sit here and talk, to be honest. Like, I don't know, it's just kind of hard because like you're talking to yourself and it's really weird. that. Okay, so the top is going to be like the leaves of the sunflowers. That's gonna look really, really cool. And then I want to do like a green white gradient to represent like the leaves or whatever. So we'll probably do a speed through of that. Okay. So now we're going to move on to the seeds of the sunflower. So I've got about maybe three detailed brushes I'm going to use. So I'm going to use mixtures of black, orange, and white for the seeds. And we're just going to do it on the top of the roof. And there's door at the bottom. Oh, fluffy butt door. Don't come over to the thing if you don't want to be in the video. Meow.